Hey, this is stock number 8-47J. This is a 2003 Ford Taurus, 3-liter Vulcan motor, overhead valve, 149,000 miles on it. Shifts absolutely butter smooth. It has the column shifted AX4N transmission. The fluid looked really nice. Motor seems to run very well as well, but I mean, we don't really need any of those things. We have a ton of them already. But I'll show you a pic of the motor in a second. But there is a check engine light on. I'll check that out in a second and find out what's going on. Okay, so this is the engine. Looks like it's had an alternator replaced. Nothing really much to see here. Like I said, 3-liter Vulcan ice cold air conditioning, which is amazing today. California emissions model, does have 4-wheel ABS. The check engine lights, they're EVAP codes, P0442 and a P0456. Both of them small leaks in the EVAP system, so nothing terrible on that. So it looks like good drivetrain.